sun is out again. It's another beautiful day. And today we're going to the Maritime Festival.
Boats!
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 God, it's so amazing here. There's so many people.
Well, it smells good too.
There's all like ships and stuff parked in the dock. Docked? Parked? Do you park a boat? You dock a boat, right?
You can go on the boat. It's a piratey one back there.
So this is the HMS 7. We want to see if we can get on that, but we think that's the queue over there. So, but there's a pirate ship over here. Okay, so there's queues to get on all the ships. That's fine, but we don't have sunscreen yet, and I don't really want to stand in the sun doing nothing for several hours. I'm burning alive. Not again. I've learned my lesson.
There you are, that's us there somewhere.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to go on one of these paddly boats. Do you think it's over there? So they had no sunscreen left, which means I'm going to burn alive. Shit. Damn it. It sucks because now it's like today's gonna be a time bomb, you know? I'm just waiting till I get back and then all my skin's been scorched again. Another week of pain and peeling. It was just an announcement. It said there's only like a few hours left. I don't think we're gonna have enough time to see all the ships and stuff. Damn it. I do want to see if we can go on the paddly boat though. Paddly boat?
And I need to get a picture of one of the pirate ships.
Rowboat, paddle, whatever.
Charlotte, come on, Daddy.
Just signed up for the rowboat thing. Are you excited? I hope they let me take the camera on. Well, how fun was that? It was so fun! So there's like these little jellyfishies in the water too.
Like, seriously, the temptation to touch them was overwhelming. I was like, I know I shouldn't, but I want to.
Yeah, you saw what Dory did. Don't touch the squishy. Just gonna return the vests and then we're gonna try and get onto a boat or a ship. They're a ship.
It's such a pretty boat. Trip.
Cheers, you enjoy it?
Yes, it was great, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks so much, bye. Time for us to go on a ship. This one.
My name is Gareth, Manchester.
No. We're on the ship. Let's go find the new world. Man, I feel like I'm right out of the Pirates of the Caribbean movie. This is so cool.
Oh, can we go in there?
Yeah, you totally can. Wow. Okay, we're kind of hungry, so we're gonna go get some cash, and my back is soaking wet from the sweat.
Wow, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
So one of the first ever vlogs that I shot in Belfast, like 7 years ago, was right here.
I think it's on my channel.
Yeah, it might actually be on Kai's channel. So we're gonna go see Pirates of the Caribbean, because we're in a parody mood. Just got in the cinema. There's no one here. Oh my god. Never had our own cinema before. I'm excited to see Pirates of the Caribbean. I didn't like the fourth one. What's the Ian McShane, the one with Ian McShane in it? God, you could just sit here and film the movie.
Yeah, I know.
Like, I'm not going to, but... And so ends the movie. And also, a little fun trip. What was it, like a piratey day?
Belfast Maritime Festival.
It was one piratey day we had today. So we are gonna go home now, do our live stream. So I guess we'll see you tomorrow, and we had a great day.
The beach.
Because we made it a great day. Goodbye, everyone.